This is the t-shirt. Look, best husband since 2014. I got in Amazon, you know, the prime one. Anyway, that's fine. 'Cause as you all know, we are 7 years. So I'm gonna fold it. The quality is not that nice. It's cheap anyway because it's rush, and he don't want anything. My husband, when you buy him something, he don't like it. Like he don't like it. So
And we are the BYRAMS family! Guys,
welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna go to the museum, but we have to take the subway train, not the bus or the BYRAMS train.
Today we're gonna go to Museum of London Docks. It's a little bit far away from our house, so we're gonna take the bus, 2 trains, and a DLR.
What is there?
You will see. It's a small train. There is no. I think DLR doesn't have a driver, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. No, not that one. That one have a driver. The one in the Croydon is the one that doesn't have a driver. I don't know. The tram doesn't have a driver, but the DL have a driver. So we're gonna go to Canary Wharf. You know where all the, I don't know, the sea or seaport. I don't know. I'm not sure, but we're gonna take you there.
Bye. See you soon. I said see you.
Aiden.
Hi guys, we're on the DLR. I did not even know the train that on the BYRAMS and it's even downer than the subway train. And also it turns a little bit.
Okay, move a
See,
little.
when that turns, that's that base is the wheels. And that's another DLR that's doing backwards. And
This train is for Lewisham. The next stop is Cadwell. Leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Don't put your nose in here. You don't have your ticket, yeah. I'm the one who have a ticket.
a nice little playground. And also that has a subway train
what they using before in the. You see, this is like a sack
instead of
or
knives, I use.
that's you have to watch.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, pick that up and hear what they're saying. Pick it up. Don't be so don't. Hmm. What do you hear?
Mommy, this one is. Mommy, this one is not talking. This one's.
Just only you have to listen. You see, this is. There are some things for playing as well. At the same time, educational.
I know how to solve this.
You see, you're like in the tube, you know, the railway tube.
I have to solve this. I'm blocking it. Railway. Like, it's gold. Oh, now. It's like in the subway train. I'm blocking it with gold. But,
It's not a gold, it's a brick one.
Molly said
It's a brick.
it's yellow bricks, I think. Yeah, let's try this. Do this. How's the door that was before? But it has.
That's like old. It's not allowed. Of course, if you go inside, you're gonna make.
Hello. See it?
If somebody, if somebody.
Small bar. No one here for 7 months. Arrive like that fast.
You're just gonna go to the barbecue in the
That one is, I wanna be fast like that one.
Yeah, because they're doing the picnic. It's a barbecue boat. They have a lot of restaurant here as well.
Mike, push over. Mike, push over. Mike, push over. Mike, push over. Leg push.
This is the Canary. I didn't go there. Mom, we're gonna take photo, video of you. It's a video. It's not a photo. It's a video.
Hi guys.
Video.
We're in Rainbow Tunnel.
Yeah.
Hi guys, we're in the Rainbow Tunnel. And this is actually a roof that has a rainbow. And then the next one another bit.
Guys, we reached the Canary Wharf roof garden. I'll show you. Ah, the lift is here near the toilet. We didn't see it on the side. are here in Burger and Lobster. That one. You can see. There. Burger and Lobster. And my little boy is making noise.
Look at that.
Eat now. Eat your food.
Put Aydın in here after.
He's crying.
He's not gonna cry. Put face other side, not in the sun.
And we're home. So, did you enjoy your day trip, Aiden?
Yes, I also enjoyed it because I got to see a DLR, and I never know what is that.
Which part of the trip is your favorite?
I found a new train, and I also saw a new train station that was the orange one.
The overground one.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga bagong video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you on the next channel. Bye.
Bye. The next. Bye. 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 Bye.
Next channel. If we don't do the next channel, it would just be bye.
Hey guys, Artin AJ wants to say something. What you wanna say? Did you enjoy your trip? Artin? Yes? Did you enjoy your trip? Can you say yes? Did you enjoy your trip, Artin? He was shouting. He said, it's my turn. Now it's your turn. Did you enjoy your trip?
Yeah.
Yes, Artin? Yeah. Yes. Did you enjoy it, anak? It's you. Look at you.